हेलो। तो आज हम सेकंड पार्ट करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 31। ए कंप्यूटर कैन नॉट बूट इफ इट डज नॉट हैव द ऑप्शन ए कंपाइलर, ऑप्शन बी लोडर, ऑप्शन सी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, ऑप्शन डी असेंबलर। सो 31 नंबर आंसर ऑप्शन सी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। Next question 32. The amount of vertical space between lines of text in a document is called option A double space, option B line spacing, option C single space, option D vertical spacing. So 32 number answer is option B line spacing. Question number 33. Example of non-numeric data is option A employee address, option B examination score, option C bank balance, option D all of these. So 33 number answer is employee address, option number A. Question number 34. What is embedded system? Option A the program which arrives by being wrapped in box. Option B the program which is the permanent part of the computer. Option C the computer which is the part of a big computer. Option D the computer and software system that control the machine. So 34 number answer is option D the computer and software system that control the machine. Question number 35. First page of website is termed as A home page, B index, C JavaScript, D bookmark. So 35 number answer is option A home page. Question number 36. Dash is the appearance of typed characters. Option A size, option B format, option C point, option D color. 36 number answer is option B format. Question number 37. When a file is saved for the first time, option A copy is automatically printed. Option B it must be given a name to identify it. Option C does not need a name. Option D it only needs a name if it is not going to be printed. So 37 number answer is option B it must be given a name to identify it. Question number 38. Office lands which are scattered geographically on large scale can be connected by the use of corporate. Option A CAN, option B LAN, option C DAN, option D WAN. So 38 number answer is option D WAN. Question number 39. Where are data and programs stored when the processor uses them? Option A main memory, option B secondary memory, option C disk memory, option D program memory. 39 number answer is option A main memory. Question number 40. Dash represents raw facts whereas dash is data made meaningful. Option A information reporting, option B data information, option C information bits, option D records bytes. 40 number answer is option B data information. Question number 41. What characteristics of read-only memory makes it useful? Option A ROM information can be easily updated. Option B data in ROM is non-volatile, that is it remains there even without electrical power. Option C ROM provides very large amounts of inexpensive data storage. Option D. ROM chips are easily swapped between different brands of computers. So 41 number answer is option B. Data in ROM is non-volatile, that is, it remains there even without electrical power. Question number 42. What do you call the programs that are used to find out possible faults and their causes? Option A. Operating system extensions. Option B. Cookies. Option C. Diagnostic software. Option D. Boot diskettes. 42 number answer is option C. Diagnostic software. Question number 43. Which programming languages are classified as low-level languages? Option A. Basic. Option Basic, COBOL, Fortran. Option B. Prolog. Option C. C++, D. Question number 43. Which programming languages are classified as low-level languages? Option A. Basic, COBOL, Fortran. Option B. Prolog. Option C. C++. Option D. Assembly languages. 43 number answer is option D. Assembly languages. Question number 44. Which of the following is not antivirus software? Option A. NAV. Option B. FROT. Option C. Oracle. Option D. McAfee. So 44 number answer is option C. Oracle. Question number 45. Which device is required for the internet connection? Option A. Joystick. Option B. Modem. Option C. CD drive. Option D. NIC card. So 45 number answer is option B. Modem. Question number 46. What does DMA stands for? Option A. Distinct memory access. Option B. Direct memory access. Option C. Direct module access. Option D. Direct memory allocation. So 46 number answer is option B. Direct memory access. Question number 47. Which of the following is a storage device? Option A. Tape. Option B. Hard disk. Option C. Floppy disk. Option D. All of the above. So 47 number answer is all of the above. When did John Napier develop logarithm? Option A. 1416. Option B. 1614. Option C. 1641. Option D. 1804. So 48 number answer is option B. 1614. A normal CD-ROM usually can store up to dash data. Option A. 680 KB. Option B. 68 bytes. Option C. 680 MB. Option D. 680 GB. So 49 number answer is option C. 68 MB. Question number 50. MIS is designed to provide information needed for effective decision making by option A. consumers, option B. workers, option C. foremen, option D. managers. 50 number answer is option D. managers. What is a light pen? Mechanical input device. Option B. optical input device. Option C. electronic input device. Option D. optical output device. 51 number answer is option B. optical input device. Next, question number 52. BCD is option A binary coded decimal, option B bit coded decimal, option C binary coded digit, option D bit coded digit. 52 number answer is option A binary coded decimal. Question number 53. ASCII stands for American Stable Code for International Interchange. Option B American Standard Case for Institutional Interchange. Option C American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Option D American Standard Code for Interchange Information. So 53 number answer is option C American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Question number 54. Which of the following is first generation of computer? Option A EDSSC, option B IBM 1401, option C CDC 1604, option D ICL 2900. So 54 number answer is option A EDSSC. Question number 55. Chief component of first generation computer was option A transistor, option B vacuum tubes and valves, option C integrated circuit, option D none of above. Question number 55 answer is option B vacuum tubes. Question number 56. Fortran is option A file translation, option B format translation, option C formula translation, option D floppy translation. So 56 number answer is option C formula translation. Question number 57. EEPROM stands for option A electrically erasable programmable read only memory, option B easily erasable programmable read only memory, option C electronic erasable programmable read only memory, option D none of the above. 57 number answer is option C electronic erasable programmable read only memory. Question number 58. Second generation computer were developed during option A 1949 to 955, option B 956 to 1965, option C 1965 to 1970, option D 1970 to 1990. So 58 number answer is option So 58 number answer is option B 1956 to 1965. Question number 59. The computer size was very large in first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation. So 59 number answer is option A first generation. Question number 60. Microprocessor and switching device are for which generation computer? Option A first generation, option B second generation, option C third generation, option D fourth generation. So 60 number answer is option D fourth generation. Fourth generation.